Now, today we will see the seeding method. Now, let us see one example. Draw a fixture of teams. The number of teams are 11, out of which 4 teams are to be seeded. Now, let us see the solution. Number of teams is equal to 11. Now let us see the number of buys. Number of buys. How to take the number of buys? First of all, you have to find out the highest number power of 2. What is that? 2, 4, 8, 16. So therefore number of buys is equal to highest power of 2 minus number of team is equal to 5. 5 buys. Now let us see number of teams in upper half. What is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. What is that? 11 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. 6 teams. Upper half n plus 1 by 2, that is 11 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 teams. Now let us see the lower half. What is the formula? N minus 1 by 2, that is 11 minus 1 by 2, here 5 teams. Now upper half and lower half is over. Now let us see number of buys in upper half. Number of buys in upper half. What is the formula? Number of buys in upper half, that is NB. As I earlier told, NB is equal to number of buys. So NB minus 1 by 2. Whereas number of buys in lower half. What is the formula? NB plus 1 by 2. So what is NB? Number of buys in upper half. What is the buy? 5 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. Here 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2. So in upper half number of buys is 2, and in number of buys in lower half is 3. Now we have to see the number of matches. Number of matches. What is the formula? N minus 1, where N refer as number of team. Okay. Now number of rounds. What is that? How? What is the highest power of 2? 16. So 2 into 2 is into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rounds. Now you have to make the fixture. So we have to make the fixture. First of all, we have to write upper half and lower half. So how many teams are there in upper half? Let it be the heading. Teams. First round. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams. Here lower half 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now how many byes were there? 5 byes were there. So let us put the bye. This all I have told you earlier in earlier video. Now no need to tell again how to give the byes. You all know. So now this is the space. This one is the seeding method. So how many seeding is there? 4. So first seeded. These all seeding we have to follow as we are giving the bye. The rules to give the bye will be applied for giving the seeding. So as it is 4 byes, that's why the 5th bye is left empty. So now which all the team will play in the second round? This first team versus the winner of 2 versus 3. Here 4 versus 5, the winner of 4 versus 5 with team 6. Here same thing, team 7 with the winner of team 8 versus 9. Here the bye with the seeded bye. Now third round, the winner of this team versus the winner of this. Here also in lower half it is same. Now fourth round is the last round, and here is the winner. We have seen the seeding method. Now let us see the spatial seeding. Spatial seeding. What is the spatial seeding? In spatial seeding, the seeded players or team directly participate in the quarter final or semi final. Now let us see the example of spatial seeding. Let us see the example of spatial seeding. Spatial seeding. Example. Suppose if 20 players, if 20 players are participating in a knockout tournament of a badminton tournament, a badminton where 4 teams are to be kept in spatial seeding. Now let us see the now let us draw the fixture. Let us see the fixture. Now what is the number of teams? 20. So first of all let us write team. Then first round, second round, third round, fourth round, fifth round, upper half and lower half. Now as the team is more, number of teams is more, we have to divide it into quarters. So in upper half Q1 and Q2, whereas lower half is divided again in 2 quarters, that is Q3 and Q4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is quarter 1, quarter 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let us see the quarter 3 and quarter 4. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Q4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, as it has been told, 4 teams. How many teams will be? 4 spatial seeding. So we have to follow the number of by system. Seeded. Then again here seeded, and seeded. As it has been told, special seeding can play directly in semi-final or quarter-final. So let it be quarter-final. QF is quarter-final. So first round, which are the teams will play first round? 2 versus 3, 4 versus 5, 6 versus 7, 8 versus 9. Here same, 12 versus 13, 14 versus 15, 16 versus 17, 18 versus 19. Now second round. The winner of 2 versus 3. Let it be 2. Here let it be 4. Here 6. Here 9. Here 13. Here 15. Here 17. Here 19. So second round will be between 2 versus 4 and 6 versus 9. Here in the lower half, 13 versus 15, 17 versus 19. So second round is over. Now let us see third round, which all teams will play. Third round, that means quarter final. Fourth round means semi-final, and fifth round is the final round. So now third round. Third round will be played between the winner of 2 versus 4 and the special seeding team of quarter 1. In the quarter 2, 6 versus 9, the winner of 6 versus 9 will play with the seeded team of Q2. Here again it will be the same as we have done in the upper half. Now fourth round, that is semi-final round. And at last, final round.